over probably 7,000 people that told me just send me some info. Whenever I said, what's a good next step? Their answer was always the same. And I bet you guys can guess what the answer is. I'll look at the info and I'll give you a call if I have any questions. And I didn't like that answer, right? Because I'm out of control. So what I did was remove the what's a good next step, because I'm now saying, okay, well, I know what the next step is. I'm going to send them the info. And I'm adjusting that to go, absolutely, Nick, I'll shoot you over some info right now. And then what's a good next step for me? What's a good next step for me? See, that's a good one, because they can still go, well, I'll just look at it and I'll get back to you. And then I can gently, without being a jerk, go, awesome, awesome. And I'm going to push it out. I'm not going to say like 3 days, but I'll say, you know, perfect. I'll also make a note. I'll give you a call on the 14th of next month if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? Right now, I'm at least being NSO. Okay, so I don't want to just send them over an email with the expected outcome of they're going to look at it, because that's just going to log jam my pipeline with a bunch of people that are never going to open that email. One thing you could do too, if you wanted to, is say, when they say send me some info, yeah, in terms of info, what were you hoping to see? You could say that, okay, because then you could send them specifically what they wanted. We might not be there yet, right? And it feels like we're not there yet with your conversation because they don't know enough about what you're sending them to say what they want to see, right? So now to answer your original question, we're going to set the next step, and then when we do send the info, I keep it pretty dang high level, right? And reference that next step that you said you were going to do. Any questions on anything? I'm excited to talk to you about this. And then I will call you on when did I say I was going to do it? The 6th or the 14th of whatever the next month is, if I haven't heard from you before then. But I wouldn't have the whole email be a really long sales pitch. I would have it almost be a hybrid of your power email with current situation. Most companies are having difficulty with XYZ and ABC, right? In order for them to hit their goals, they typically need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. I'd love to continue the discussion with you to see if we can help you get from ABC to XYZ. So have it be really, really high level there. Because if it's a total sales pitch with all your product information, it's just allowing them to self-serve shop too much, and they're going to misinterpret the email, or worse, they're going to be, I just don't have time to read that. So let's keep it really, really, really high level on that first one you send them. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.